got something really cool right here. Well, I think it's really cool. It is a photo list slash diorama made by Moreart. And, well, yeah, I hope it's good. I think it comes ready out of the box. Let's open it up. Yeah, that looks pretty ready out of the box. I think it's best to take it out like this. Oh. Yeah, you see? Got this right here for hanging on the wall. Instruction manual. That's also a good thing. And we got some accessories here. Oh no, it's for the light. Oh, that is nice. I like that. It comes with light. Yeah. Okay, I think first I'm going to remove. No, I don't think. I know for sure. I'm going to remove the plastic. There we go. This here is the front. Whoa! It's already sliding open. You can already have a peek inside. Oh, that looks really, really cool. Fantastic. Holy smoke. And it got awesome details. That is looking terrific. I like it already. The material, I have to do it like this. This is made out of wood, not plastic. So the quality of this photo list diorama is really, really good. Made out of metal. Yeah, here we got this to slide in this. So I have to take this off. Yeah. This is really handy, so you can keep the dust out. When I bought it on Aliexpress, I'm not sure if it's still available. I think I got the last one. Oh, it's a little bit, got a lot of scratches on it. That doesn't look that good. I think it's better to use it. Yeah, this is, oh no, this is definitely not good. No, I can't use this. The ID is very cool, but it got too many scratches. Or there is another foil over it that might be possible. Yeah, I think it is. Ha! Yes! Ta-da! And now we can use it. Whoa. Yeah, now it only got some sticky fingers for me. Well, that's no problem. Let's see. We got a manual right here. Let's say double layer pipeline garage, light version photo frame decoration. Press your finger on the acrylic plate and push it slowly to the right. So we already did that. That was very easy. Push the acrylic board back to the slide rail and close the picture frame. Plug the power cord into the Android connector on the right. Touch the power switch to turn on the right. So there aren't any batteries because that would be very unhandy. I hope it got it. No, I think, well, I can have a power source right here. So let's see if that works. It was better if it had batteries, because then you can hang it on the wall. There we go. And then, yeah, we have to push it in like this. Yep. There we go. Very good light. I love it. I love this photo frame diorama. It is really cool. Now, I'm going to put in some cars. Oh, yep. There we go. I'm going to put in some cars and some figures, and let's make a nice setup. Voila, I'm ready. Let's do it like this. Gangsters on top, initial D down below. Did a review about this Mercedes a couple of weeks ago. Gangster figures are from Moreart. And this Mercedes is from Rhino Models. Honda Shitty Turbo, Inno 64, Mazda from Moreart. Woman figure, American Diorama. Initial D figure is from Moreart, and this Toyota is also from Moreart. Now, yes, I can hang it on the wall. That would be very cool, but then the figures will fall, cars are going to ride. So I'm doing it like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye.